Alright, so we've cleaned up from that. So on to baking soda and salt. Let me get that. Let me check. Ingredients. Alright. I don't want to get that. So whoa. That's crazy. Great. Slow down, you crazy child. You can get what you want. You're old for a while. Way through. Ooh. When the realize.
I'm running these to. Yeah, I'm gonna run these up to UPS right now just so they can into the system. And then I'm gonna come back and start dinner. So you'll have like stuff done by then.
Yep.
What else? Do you still need my phone?
Yeah.
Okay. Could be just know that I'll be right back.
Is this enough?
No. We have to measure it with a real
1.5 tablespoons. That was scary.
I think it was just either you typed in the wrong number.
I put in 350.
Right. Well, I don't know why I did that. If it does it again, just hit cancel and open it up and then let's make that somewhere at somebody else's house.
Alright guys. Time for some mixing. See you in the next part. Guys, so final part. We're gonna be adding bananas. Bananas. Alright, let me show you the bananas. They don't look pretty, but wait, let me show you the banana cam. Banana cam. Alright, so they don't look pretty, but when you do that, it like makes it really good and like when they're mushy. So yeah. We're pouring them in. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh, oh. There's one. Right. Here we go. Here we go. Oof. I'll sleep forever. Oh. Reality. Oh. It's very scary. Alright guys. See you later. See you in the next video. Alright, please subscribe. Alright, so they're out of the oven. Good. 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 Right. So, I made a mini loaf. Here they are. It's all the same thing. Should be the same. So, wow. Wow. Really good. Alright guys, see you later.